Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new playlist about AI and its integration into architecture and construction. After more than 35 years in architecture, project management, and construction, I believe this is the right time to combine all my experience with the power of the artificial intelligence. Technology is moving fast, and staying current is no longer optional for any one of us. If we don't keep up, we will risk falling behind. In this playlist, I will start from the beginning, explaining the AI, and then I will move step by step as I'm learning myself this integration between architecture, construction, project delivery with the AI. This is my own learning process. So I'm learning as I go because all my background in the last 35 years in design, construction, planet check, city submittals in multiple cities in United States and Canada. But moving forward, maybe not today, maybe in the next month, maybe in the next 6 months, but very soon. If you don't learn this technology, you will fall behind. So I decided today, I'm going to start my learning process and how to integrate and bring all of this knowledge that I gained during the last 35 years in US and Canada, how to integrate all of this knowledge with the artificial intelligence. So please subscribe to the channels as I will be putting more videos into this playlist. The first thing we're going to learn today is what is the traditional AI and what is the generative AI. In the past, and this is funny when I say the past, because when you talk about artificial intelligence, 3 months ago, consider past, because this technology is moving very, very fast. So about 6 months ago, the artificial intelligence was based on something called traditional AI. Traditional AI classifies or analyzes existing data. So what does it mean? It just takes information you give to the AI and analyze this data, and that's it. So now the new generation, that's what we call a generative AI. A generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new original content, such as text, image, videos. This generative AI identifies a pattern in a massive database and generate model. So it's actually it generate a text for you, it generate a video for you, it generate picture for you. So it is no longer just analyze the existing data. No, it's also generate new data based on the existing data you provide. How does it do that? Generative model use technique or technology like neural network. The neural network is the foundation of the modern AI. Neural network is the conceptual model inspired by human brain structure. So it acts beyond the system. So how does it work? It works in 3 different layers. First layer, input. Second layer, hidden layer. Third layer, output layer. So let's see that on the screen. So the image on the screen here, it will explain to you how the neural networks actually work. The way it works, neural network work by learning from data. So you give information to the neural network, and this is what you call input layer. Then the input layer, it goes into the hidden layers. In this hidden layer, all the process happen. Then you receive the output layer. So when you take a picture of steel and you put it into the neural network, it goes into the hidden layer and get processed. And then it comes out that the system understands that this picture is related to steel and not cement and not concrete. And this is basically the simplest way of understanding how this process works. And this is how the generative AI works. So you give a lot of information to the generative AI, and this is what happened, and that's what we call the input layer. Then it goes into the hidden layer for process and analyzing and comparing. And then comes out the output layer. And this is the biggest difference between the traditional AI and generative AI is the use of neural network. So in the traditional AI, you put information and the AI will analyze this information. You're running a business, you put your expenses, and also you put your revenue. The AI will analyze that, and it will tell you that in the month of February, you make 15% net profits. On the month of June, you made 10% net profits, and that's it. And this is a traditional AI. But when it comes to the generative AI, you put the information and you put additional information, and you can put external information, and the generative AI will take your information and external information and provide you with output with a new information that it will help you to reduce the risk going forward. So this is a huge part between the traditional AI and the generative AI. And by this way, let's just end this video today. I'm going to try to make these videos very short. So please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. And thank you so much for watching.